Okay, students, so now we are going to start a mock interview for our student Pyali Datta, and this mock is for MS and PhD admissions. So Pyali, you tell us from where you have got interview call?
Sir, actually, I had applied several departments like CS, AI, data science, etc. and interdisciplinary, total in 60, and I total get calls up till now 30.
Okay. So right now, which IITs, which department specialization?
The next interview I'm opting for, this is IIT Palakkad MS CS, PhD
Okay.
CS, and on the next day, IIT Central University, Visakhapatnam.
Okay. So Pyali, first of all, introduce yourself.
Yeah, first of all, sir, very good morning. My name is Pyali Datta, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to give interview in front of you. Actually, I completed my B.Tech in West Bengal University of Technology, Kolkata, West Bengal with 7.73 CGPA. Then I started my working life, and then I joined as a teacher in Hyderabad-based EdTech. And after that, I worked in Byju's, and then as a lead generation specialization in Hirect app. And my recent projects I had done in project management and product management in a company that is also in a EdTech industry based, known as Internship Trainings. And related to my hobbies are traveling and cycling.
So now, why do you want to join this MS program or PhD program?
I want to join MS and PhD program because I am from Tier 3 colleges. So there I did not got the opportunity to learn from the great professors of India, like IITs, NITs. So that always haunt me, that category that I want to know more. So that's why, and I'm also inclination towards the research option. That's why I opted for these departments and courses.
Okay, so what are your long-term career objectives?
My long-term career objective is that if I go for MS, then I will go there and I will search for the different areas, and I will make my coding background and the theoretical aspects background more. And then I want to join as a PhD academician, postdoctorate in this kind of more deep down research, and otherwise I want to continue in academics.
Okay, so in which programming languages you are comfortable?
C programming.
C programming, okay. And about others, MATLAB or anything else?
C, C++, and basics Python I know.
Okay. So have you identified any particular project to work in?
Particular project I like there is more algorithmic analysis, like computation, decidability, this kind of topic.
Okay. So more algorithm analysis. Algorithms are also used in machine learning.
Yes, sir.
So do you know what are common algorithms we use in machine learning?
No, sir, because till now I did not got opportunity in an industry exposure to work in machine learning, but I have good amount of interest in that. If I got the opportunity in MS and PhD, I would like to know about them more.
Okay. Do you know what is regression?
No, sir, data science kinds of thing I do not know.
No idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what is Bayes theorem?
Sir, Bayes theorem is a good amount of application of conditional probability in a probability domain, where we have to come across a several event where already some event is interfering in that situation. In that cases, we have to come out of a particular result.
Okay. Suppose we have, let me show you the screen. Do you know differentiation, integration, basic things?
Yes, little bit, because
Okay.
I taught in 12.
We have a matrix. 1305.
Okay, sir.
So calculate eigenvalues of this matrix. Tell me what are the eigenvalues.
-1, minus 1.
Hmm?
The root values are
Your voice is not clear.
okay. The values are coming here are -1, -1.
These are the eigenvalues.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know any relation between sum of eigenvalues and trace of a matrix? Any relation you remember between sum of
Sir,
eigenvalues and trace?
yeah, trace is for a square matrix. Trace is considered as the summation or the addition of the diagonal elements. So whatever would be the addition of these diagonal elements will be equal to this whatever eigenvalues is coming.
Okay. So what is the sum of eigenvalues here?
-2.
And what is the sum of the diagonal element here?
6.
Hmm?
Answer 6.
So anything wrong here? Okay. Do you know greatest integer function?
Greatest integer function on
Yes.
where?
Greatest integer function. Do you remember this?
Greatest integer function? No, sir.
No idea. Okay. Okay. Rishika ma'am.
Yes, sir. So, Piali, what are your favorite subjects?
Ma'am, data structure, algo, logic, C programming.
Okay. So, can you tell RSA algorithm?
RSA algorithm? No, ma'am.
Okay, it's also an algorithm only, no?
Ma'am, would you please tell me full form of this?
Yes.
Full form of RSA?
RSA, you must have studied it in the computer networks.
Computer network, actually, I did not try in our GATE syllabus.
Okay. So, what all subjects other than these you told? Can you tell?
C programming, data structure, algorithm, and propositional logic.
This, okay, propositional logic. So, can you find some like practical implementation of propositional logic?
Yeah, propositional logic practical example we take in our selection of this GATE examination in IITs. Like if a student if and only if a student gets 60 marks, then he or she can get for IITs. Otherwise, if I do take two variables, say suppose A is a function like a student and another B is a getting into IIT. So one behavioral thing is there, A implies B. Here the false value like true implies false determines false. So we can conclude in this way: a student does not get into IIT, that means he or she did not get or did not pass GATE examination.
Can you tell like where we are actually using presently? Any example you have any idea?
This propositional logic technique usually built whenever we are doing this like architectural, like whenever we have to do this cost consumption or the less cost amount in this way.
Okay, so you have studied data structures, right?
Yes, yes.
So what is priority queue in data structures?
Q is known as a one data is a good data structure where these two entry pointers there, rear and front. But priority queue is one extensive version of this where whatever would be our priority element in terms of our coding, it says maybe minimum priority or maximum element or minimum element, that element would be come out first. That is the features of a queue.
Okay. Where, like in which sorting algorithm which we can use this priority queue?
You are asking application.
Not application, in which sorting algorithm?
Sorting algorithm.
Okay, so I'm done with the questions. You can proceed, Aman.
Hello, Piali. Hello. Tell me what is linear probing? Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
Linear probing. You asked, no?
Yes.
Hashing is one kind of data structure where several amount of sequence of number will be there. So when we are using that hashing function from the set of numbers, we want to put it upon a particular table known as the hash table. So whatever sequence they are following to get themselves entered into that table, that style is known as linear probing.
Okay. And can you tell me what is primary clustering?
This is the disadvantage of linear probing. Like whenever the two elements want to occupy the same position, because their hash function, whatever we are following over there, is conducting this problem, then it is known as the primary clustering issue.
Okay. Can you tell me which sorting algorithm you will use when the array is properly sorted? Already sorted?
Already sorted, then I would like to go with mark sort.
With?
Mark sort.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you correctly. What are you?
Array is already sorted, then which sorting algorithm I want to use?
Yes.
That question, no. Then I would like to go with merge sort.
Okay, merge sort you are saying. So what will be the time complexity for that?
Time complexity for merge sort is theta of n log n.
So if the array is sorted, then also it will give you n log n, or will the time complexity decrease in that case?
No, theta, this asymptotic notation follows over in this way. Like it is one kind of sandwich kind of position where the big O notation and the big omega notation will lie over there.
I'm asking whether like normally the time complexity for merge sort is theta n log n, na? So if you are saying that if the array is already sorted, you will use merge sort. So will the time complexity for that operation in case of merge sort, will the time complexity will decrease or will it remain same as n log n?
No, it will be remain same only.
Okay. So what if you use insertion sort in that case? What will be the time complexity for insertion sort and if the array is already sorted?
Order of n.
Order of n. So why we are using merge sort instead of insertion sort?
No,
Okay.
actually,
Can you tell me the recurrence relation for binary search?
yes. Uh, 2t n by 2 plus constant amount of time, or order of 1, we can say.
So if you take this recurrence relation, Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus order of 1. Can you apply the master theorem on this and can you tell me the time complexity that comes out?
Yes, sir. Then it is coming constant amount of time.
When you have 2Tn by 2, then it should not come constant amount of time, I guess, because n log 2 by 2 will give you n raised to power 1, I guess.
Yes, formula is n to the power n log to the base a. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
order of n, but the time complexity for binary search is, I guess, log n.
Sir, currently I'm not able to recall this master theorem, these formulas.
Okay, so but the recurrence relation that you have told is not correct. It should be Tn by 2, not 2Tn by 2, Tn by 2, because you use only one side of the array in binary sort.
Okay, yeah. Two is
In binary search. So let's say that instead of using binary search, instead of dividing the array into 2 parts, you are dividing the array into 3 parts.
Okay.
It's called ternary search. So what will be the time complexity for ternary search?
Sir, then it will be n to the power log 1 to the base 3.
It should be.
Hello? N to
Yes,
the
yes.
power, yeah, n to the power log a to the base 2. So a here is 1 and b equals to 3.
Okay. So what will be the recurrence relation for this?
For this, by not tertiary search, it will be Tn by 3 plus order of 1.
So you have given the recurrence relation for binary search and for the ternary search. So which will you prefer between binary search and ternary search depending on the time complexities?
Sir, initially, when I was using Tn by 2, there the value was coming n to the power 1. But here it is coming log n to the power log 1 to the base 3, which is lesser value than 1. So complexity wise, I would like to go with this ternary search.
Okay. Okay, that's it from my side. Tyagi sir, आप review दे दीजिए feedback.
प्याली मैथमेटिक्स नहीं पढ़ाई क्या आपने बिल्कुल भी? मैथ तो रिवीजन करना होता है कंप्यूटर साइंस वाले बच्चों को, कहीं पे भी जरूरत पड़ती है। एटलीस्ट मैट्रिक्स तो आगे अब जो इंटरव्यूज आएंगे उसमें मैट्रिक्स पूरा पढ़ लो, ठीक है। आइगन वैल्यूज कंप्यूट करना, रैंक कंप्यूट करना, रैंक के बारे में थोड़ा, ये सारी बेसिक चीजें इनको आपको रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा।
वो कंटिन्यूअसली पूरा सोना नहीं हुआ तो मैं कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाई।
क्या बोल रहे हो?
मतलब बहुत रात जग के पढ़ रही थी तो मैं कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रही, नींद आ रही।
चलो कोई नहीं, आगे अगले इंटरव्यू और भी आएंगे अभी, ठीक है। यहाँ पे तो ये जो इस क्वेश्चन की बात अगर हम करें, ये अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है ना, मेन डायगोनल के बिलो सारे एलिमेंट 0 अगर होते तो अपर ट्रायंगुलर बोलते हैं। किसी भी ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स में जो आइगन वैल्यूज होती हैं वो उसके डायगोनल एलिमेंट ही होते हैं। तो 1 और 5 ही आंसर आएगा, आइगन वैल्यूज यही हो जाएंगी सीधी, ठीक है। अगर हमारे पास मान लिया ये है 3 0 8 -2, ये हमारा क्या है, लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, इसमें 3 और -2 हो जाएंगे। अगर ये मैट्रिक्स है 1 5 3 0 2 -1 0 0 7, तो अपर ट्रायंगुलर है, तो 1 to 7 जो है वही आइगन वैल्यूज हो जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो ये सारी चीजें रिवाइज करनी है। और ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन, जो बेसिक फंक्शंस है, मॉडुलस फंक्शन, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन, स्क्वायर रूट, साइन, कोस, ये सबके ग्राफ तो आने चाहिए हमें। ये होता है हमारा ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन, ठीक है। इसमें क्या होता है कि इक्वल टू, अगर हम जैसे यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करें इसको ग्राफिकली, तो 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3, ये पॉइंट मार्क कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। अब इसमें क्या होता है, 0 से लेके अगर हम 1 तक कोई भी इनपुट डालते हैं ना, तो जैसे मान लिया मैंने 0.1 डाला, तो इसकी जो आउटपुट आएगी वो सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर, ठीक है, जो इससे लेस हो या इसके बराबर हो, इससे लेस या इससे बराबर इंटीजर, तो 0 ही हो सकता है सबसे बड़ा ऐसा इंटीजर तो, ठीक है। इसकी आउटपुट इंटीजर आती है, वो इंटीजर इसके बराबर होगा या इससे छोटा होगा, तो वो 0 आएगा, नियरेस्ट जो लेफ्ट साइड में रहेगा इसके। तो 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 किसी की भी वैल्यू निकालोगे वो 0 ही रहेगी। तो ये 0 पे 0 रहेगा और यहां तक 0 चलता है। जैसे ही 1 करेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, फिर 1 से लेके 2 तक ये 1 चलेगा, क्योंकि 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 सब पे 1 आएगी आउटपुट। फिर यहाँ पे ये 2 हो जाएगा, फिर ये 2 चलेगा 3 तक। ये इस तरीके से ग्राफ बनता है। -1 से 0 के बीच में इनपुट है तो -1 रहेगा, -2 से -1 के बीच की इनपुट पे ये -2 रहेगा। इसको बोलते हैं ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन। बाकी बेस थ्योरम, रूल ऑफ टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी, म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट, कलेक्टिवली एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट, मतलब कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं बेसिक प्रोबेबिलिटी का। आगे से ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है। चलो रसिका।
हाँ सर, पियाली जो मैंने एक क्वेश्चन
रसिका
पूछा था
मैम
प्रायोरिटी क्यू। हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ रही है? यस यस।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। तो I was saying that I asked you about priority queue. So the definition which you gave was correct, but I asked in which sorting algorithm it is used. So it is used in heap sort
बोलो।
algorithm. हाँ सर।
अमन सर।
हाँ जी सर।
फीडबैक।
अरे रशिका मैम दे रहे हैं सर अभी।
अच्छा
नहीं नहीं सर, हो गया। मतलब मेरे को यही बताना था, बाकी चीजें ये था कि थोड़ा जनरल था और शायद ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन भी मैंने पूछा था आरएसए एल्गोरिथम। बट ये कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी एटलीस्ट हल्का फुल्का आइडिया होगा कि आरएसए यूज का होता है, क्रिप्टोग्राफी वगैरह कुछ तो नाम आएगा, बट वो पूरा ब्लैंक ही था। बट ठीक है, आप जिस पे अगर कमांड कर रहे हो तो फिर ये है कि वो सब्जेक्ट फिर 100% होना चाहिए, उसमें फिर कोई कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए। ठीक है,
चलो।
प्याली थोड़ा ना जैसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस में जो मैंने पूछे आपसे, उनमें ऐसा था कि ये तो है कि मतलब आपको आता है बट आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे, बाइनरी सर्च में कंफ्यूज हो गए। बेसिक सा ही, बहुत बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन है वो, बट ये है कि अगर बेसिक क्वेश्चन में भी कंफ्यूज हो गए तो थोड़ा दिक्कत है। ठीक है, तो थोड़ा रिवीजन की जरूरत है। बाकी ठीक है, बाकी जो भी आंसर आपने करे वो सही करे, बट जिनमें मतलब हाँ ये है कि कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था तो वो थोड़ा दिक्कत वाली बात है। ठीक है, बाकी सारा सही है।
चलो ओके प्यारी, आराम से जाओ, कॉन्फिडेंट होके। ऑल द बेस्ट। अगर टाइम मिले तो रैंक और आइगन वैल्यू जरूर पढ़ के जाना, बस 2 चीज मिनिमम।
ओके, नहीं मैं उसको एक्चुअली पढ़ के ही इंटरव्यू देने बैठी थी, अभी बोल रही।
ठीक है।